Hi everyone, it's Lisa with InkandInspirations.com. Happy Valentine's Day. And today I'm sharing a sweet Valentine with the Otters celebration stamp set and the Celebrating You sentiment set from the mini catalog. And so I have some layers of designer paper with some hearts and a pale papaya background. And you can see I have some ribbon that was that white seam binding ribbon that I colored with my pale papaya dark Stampin' Blends to get the color that I wanted. And these are going to all go on that real red base. So I'm moving the ribbon over to the side because I'm going to have this focal point there in the center of the card. And I'm stamping the otter at the bottom of that basic white piece where it just has his top and his arms spread open wide like a little hug. And I'm coloring him with the light and dark pale papaya Stampin' Blends just for fun and to match the card. So now I'm going to take another piece of basic white and stamp the Lots of Love uh, from that sentiment set, and I'm going to cut it out and cut the words apart. Sometimes I like to do this just for interest on a card. Now I'm taking one of my heart punches and punching that from real red, and I'm going to glue the Lots of Love saying there on the heart, just scattering the words for fun. Okay, so now let's go ahead and put that heart there, and then we're going to get some basic rhinestones. I have a few left on this sheet, and I'm coloring with the dark pale papaya, and I'm going to scatter those on the heart just to tie in with the rest of the card. So now let's build this up. We're going to put those two layers over top on that basic, I'll say basic, the real red cardstock, and then I have a stitch scallop rectangle there that I'm putting behind the main image, and I have a piece with a strip of that designer paper for the inside of the card, and there you have a sweet Valentine that you can send, and it's my wish for you. So thank you so much for joining me today. Have a happy Valentine's Day, and if you like the video, be sure and give it the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my videos. Have a great day. Bye-bye.